We do the really cool science that makes a difference in communities.
The integrity of our research and the quality of our research, and also the real world impact.
We are literally changing the world and the way people live.
I've experienced natural disasters firsthand, and so knowing what IBHS does to help mitigate natural disasters for homeowners, business owners is really special to me.
Steps that homeowners can take are achievable and are meaningful in reducing the risk to loss during a wildfire.
This is a full-scale testing facility. We can look at the performance of not only the building as aerodynamic loading, but also the components of them.
So you have to get data and you have to break stuff. And breaking stuff is what we're really good at here at IBHS.
Experiments that we run right now about fire spread between an auxiliary dwelling unit to the main building was a dream 10 years ago. And now we have all the data.
We're taking wildfire science and then immediately turning around and directly applying that and getting it to the people that need to hear it. And that's just really inspiring for me, and I'm happy to do it.
Some of these projects have never been done anywhere else. So we're really breaking very unique ground here at IBHS.
Being able to see firsthand the work that we do in the lab translate into real lives, real people, this is why I'm here.
You have lots of opportunities to learn, and you have lots of opportunities to show up and shine and deliver.
We have an extremely wide and diverse group of people that work here. So I think the best thing about working here is the staff that we have.
It's a good atmosphere, always have fun, always smiling faces. Even on the hard days, it's a little easier to get by.
We all come from different worlds, but we're united by a shared mission. And honestly, we have fun, we learn a lot from each other, and our small lunchroom is always filled with a lot of laughs.
It's a place where people care. They care about making a difference in the world around them. They care about making really great work. And they care a lot about each other.
I just kept applying and persevered and finally got a job here 6 months later.
I do everything wind related, so I do comet testing, I do uplift testing, I do instron testing, basically testing the wind maximums of the shingles that we test at IBHS.
And we are able to put that into real world solutions so we can help real world people when disaster strikes.
I personally love my job because it's not just a job, it's a mission.
I get the opportunity to work on pressing issues that I'm passionate about and have a chance to create positive change. I love it here.
Just even if I could play a small part in the support of that, that's all I wanted to do.
I wanted to do something for the greater good. And then finding the post, I guess after I had put it out there in the world, just kind of completed the whole picture. So haven't looked back since.
We have incredibly smart people here, and the kinds of work we do here helps people have better outcomes on real bad days.
I'm passionate about building stronger and more resilient structures.
We are not just afraid of inventing new things or thinking long term. We always try to tackle the real world problem.
Just seeing science turned into action. So everything that we do here.
My first week on the job, I was on a hurricane deployment. I saw 2 houses impacted, and then I saw this one house in the middle that was fortified, and I was like, there's something here.
Being able to take research that we do at IBHS and use it to better the lives of everyday people is really a huge part of why I love working at IBHS.
What I enjoy most is turning our science into practical guidance that small businesses and communities can actually use to stay strong in the face of disasters.
You can't change Mother Nature, you can't change a storm's path. But now I'm fortunate I get to work here because I could help change how we could better prepare and be more resilient as a community.
Great job, guys, great job. You can learn a lot just by looking at something, and that's what you do. You go out and make lots of observations on whatever the hazard may be. And IBHS has had a place in that really since the beginning, and it will continue in the years to come.
Science.
Extraordinary.
Meaningful.
Inspiring.
Passionate.
Diverse.
Resilience.
Mission.